How to recover lost access to the Roblox Authenticator app. The first thing that you need to do is open up your browser on your phone and you just type www.roblox.com/support here. You will type support like this and you want to click on go. It might ask you to log into your account. Just log in using the website. And right here you will need to provide your email address and then confirm it in the second field, so basically type it twice. Now, what device are you having the problem on? Choose the device which you use most commonly to play Roblox with. And for the type of help category, we're gonna select account hacked or can't log in. Now a subcategory is gonna appear and you wanna select lost access to my two-step verification method. Now here you will type this. I'm just gonna paste it. I no longer can access my two-step authentication app. I have access to my phone number and email associated with the account. Could you change it to one of those so I can log back in? Thanks. And you will click on continue here to send this support request and check your email for a response from the Roblox team. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.